Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Easypaisa app and logging in. This lets you access secure account features. Enter your registered mobile number or CNIC, then authenticate with OTP, PIN, or fingerprint. Once done, make sure your app is updated and your connection is stable, Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the next screens load without errors. If you can't log in, pause and check your credentials and device settings before proceeding to the transaction history menu. After logging in, go straight to Menu or Profile and tap Transactions or History. This is where Easypaisa lists activity. You'll see filters. Choose a date range, transaction type, or source to narrow results because that reduces scrolling time. Once filtered, use the search bar to type an amount, reference ID, or recipient name to pinpoint a specific entry. As you review, tap any transaction to see details like date, status, and reference. Make note of ID for follow-up. Now export or save the record if you need proof. Choose PDF or CSV and download to your device, then verify each entry's date, amount, status, and reference ID because those are what banks and support teams need. Once you've confirmed everything, use the in-app share or email to send statements. If a transaction is missing or shows error, refresh the app, adjust filters, and recheck network. If problems persist, contact Easypaisa support with the transaction reference for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.